Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a program on how bold, italic, underline, Strikethru can be used in Microsoft Visual Basic by checkbox. So let's get started. First open Microsoft Visual Basic. Then a window named New Project will open where you have to click on Standard X option and then click on Open, then a form will open. Then adjust the form. Now to decorate the form, I will draw one object in the form. First of all I will take label. Press left click and draw the label in the form. I will draw a text box next to it. Now I will draw a frame below. At last, we will draw a command button in the form. Then add checkbox one by one in frame. I will draw a total of 4 checkboxes. In this way, the design that we need to do the program will be complete. Now click on the label and click on the caption from the properties window and delete the text label 1 and write there write any name. In the same way, I will delete text 1 by clicking on text.
Now delete frame 1 text from click caption on frame and write font effect. Then select check 1 and write bold from the caption. This is how I will write italic in check 2. I will write underline in check 3. I will write Strikethru in check 4. Finally, select the command button and write exit from the caption. Now I will increase the size of the form a little so that it is convenient to see the text. Then I will start coding. First double-click on bold. Now the code window for bold will open. Then write the code there. Now click on the start button to run the program. Whenever I write a name here, if I click on bold from the checkbox, the text will become bold. This is how I will write the coding of italic, underline, Strikethru and run them. Finally write the exit code and run the form. This was a simple program using which you can use bold, italic, underline, strike through in Visual Basic. If you like the video, then share, comment, like. And if you are new to the channel, you must subscribe to the channel for more new videos like this. Thanks for watching this video.